So welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be the tour of my Lash room. This is the outside of my room, and excuse I don't have it perfectly clean yet. I was filming videos earlier, so I have extra things in there, but this is kind of the gist of how I usually have it. I have this chair for extra waiting room. You know what I mean, extra waiting area. And then I have this cute little table with business cards and stuff like that. And then if you turn this way, in this other room is where I have my cute little like makeup setup area, and that's usually right there where I have the light that is in here. But let me close the door and I'll bring you guys. Oh my god, my room's a mess. So there's not a lot of lighting in here. I'm noticing that in our salon we have to do something about the lighting because this sucks. Anyway, so at the door I have a cute little eye that I got off Amazon. So I put this on this beautiful door. It's cute. And you walk into my room and it's pretty plain to me. I think I'll just get in here and show you just a quick overdraft, or what is it called? An overview. Oh, if I turn on the damn light, that would help. So that is the quick overview of my room. I'm gonna go ahead and bring you in here. Like I said, it's a mess right now. Like, just don't judge me right now this second. But over here on this wall, I'm gonna do one wall each at a time. On this wall I have the word Lash, and I do have these lights which I need to replace because they kind of look tacky to me. And I have this bench that needs to be gone as well, but I do want another one just like it. And I have my pillows, and then I have this shelf in the corner that has just some greenery, my infuser, oil infuser, or whatever you call them, some tissue. I'm not gonna get too detailed into the video also, just to let you know. I have just little things, you know, just little decoration pieces, some crystals, and some more stuff, and a trash can. And in front of that bench I have just a carpet, and then I have this big old ugly thing of bottled water. You know. So next, this is my cart that I usually pull it out and I work with it there next to me, just in this section. On my cart, I'm not gonna get too detailed. I'm about to do a client, but I have some lashes, some glue, my mister. I have pads. I hang my glasses and my mask on here. Then moving on to this wall, I have just some eyes, some certificates. This sanitizer here, this little thing comes in handy. My hygrometer. And then on this table, it's a mess right now. I worked yesterday, but I have hair nets. I have cotton pads. These are clients that I did yesterday, and I throw away all those strips and everything and just throw them away, toss them. And I have just a bunch of things, some products, because I waxed brows yesterday, my alcohol, my wax things, and then just my containers here. I got this cart on Amazon for about 60 bucks. I really love it. And then over here I have all these wires, which if you guys know a cute way to hide wires, let me know. Also have a vortex, which is amazing. Like, I don't know what it is. It shakes things, so I need it for my glue. In this corner I have my wax machine, my little wax pot, which is kind of dirty. And I have my sharps container, and in here, I don't know, I have some stuff. I have my gloves, a fan, a timer. Whenever I put my tools in my barbicide, I set my timer for 10 minutes. On this wall I have lashes, which to me they're really cute. And on this side I have my chair, the saddle chair. If your guys' back hurts a lot, I would recommend this chair. I love it. Like at first you hurt, like if you're riding horses all day, but trust me, you'll get used to it. And then I have a humidifier, which I don't need to turn on right now because it's good. I have my cavity wipes right here. And then I have my bed with my ring light. This light is usually out there, but like I said, I was filming. This is my bed. I got it off of Amazon, and it reclines and it gets higher, whatever. The legs can go down and up and all that good stuff. But honestly, it's very comfortable. I just would have liked to stay with the massage table, but I don't know, kind of getting used to it now. I have a stool for all my short people, and this is the pillow that came with the shelf, what is it called? The shelf pillow. And I wrapped it in saran wrap because when I do brows, like I want to have everything, you know. But so this came with that shelf, and I bought 2 of those shelves and they both broke and they suck ass. Like they suck. They don't work at all. And I just put a bib, a clean bib for every single person. I have my sheet, I have a heating pad underneath just so that they stay warm. And then I have this, which it's messed up. It's I got it off of Amazon as well, about 40 bucks. Everybody loves it, like it's comfortable. So I just put that up there. On this wall I have some more certificates. Me and my husband here. I have more certificates, just a little desk where I have 3 containers where I put junk. Kleenex, my consent forms, my consent clipboard, super cute. This is where I keep my little, what's it called? The adapter to, you know, to pay. I need to get some mints for this, and my light, and then we're back to the door. I think the door is cute with the little eye. As you guys can see, I have a hygrometer, is that what you call it? Everywhere. Like I have one there, I have one there. Like I'm serious about my stuff. I really like the humidity to be amazing. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope the video wasn't too dark because it's super dark in this place. Like I'm just realizing that we need some major lights. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you want more details on something else. Oh yeah, and my apron just hangs there. But yeah, that's it. I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.